If you're planning a luxury home remodel, there's one thing you need to understand. The biggest mistakes aren't usually bad tile, ugly paint, or wrong countertops. These mistakes that cost homeowners the most are the ones hidden behind the walls, or decisions they made months before construction even started. We've seen homeowners lose tens of thousands simply because someone didn't ask the right question early enough. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the biggest luxury remodeling mistakes we see, and how you can avoid them before they become a 6-figure problem. Designing without understanding how you actually live. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is designing for Pinterest instead of designing for their lifestyle. A gorgeous floor plan means nothing if it doesn't function every day. Maybe you entertain every weekend. Maybe your kids are constantly in the kitchen. Maybe you work from home. Every one of those lifestyles requires a completely different design. The most expensive changes happen after framing begins. Moving walls, relocating plumbing, changing structural beams, those changes add up quickly. And the best luxury homes feel effortless because the design was centered around the homeowner, not current trends. So once the layout is right, the next mistake gets even more expensive. Luxury materials are an investment, but not every beautiful material belongs in every application. We've seen homeowners fall in love with a product online only to realize that later it wasn't designed for Arizona's climate or for the way they actually use the home. Natural stone, hardwood flooring, outdoor cabinetry, glass, metal finishes. You have to ask the question like, how does it age? Does it require annual maintenance? Will it scratch easily? Can it handle heat? We do live in Arizona. Will it look the same in 5 years? Sometimes the more expensive option actually costs less over the lifespan of the home because it lasts for decades. Now here's the mistake that usually creates the biggest budget overruns. Making major changes after construction starts. This is where projects can spiral. Construction is like dominoes. Every trade depends on the one before it. So when the homeowner changes one decision, everything behind it has to change too. Moving a kitchen, changing window sizes, ceiling heights, adding a steel beam, relocating HVAC, electrical redesign. That one decision may affect the architect, the engineer, the cabinet company, the electrician, the drywall crew, the flooring installer, the paint. The one change becomes 20. This is why planning is everything. The best luxury remodels aren't successful because they had the biggest budget. They are successful because they had the best planning. Design around your lifestyle. Choose materials that perform, not just impress. And make as many decisions as possible before construction begins. Do those 3 things and you'll save yourself a tremendous amount of money and probably months of unnecessary stress. If you're planning a luxury remodel or a custom home here in Arizona, we'd love to help you avoid these mistakes before they happen. Leave a comment below. And if you have any questions, drop them there too. And also hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.